Dude, now I going to explain how different problems going to work. Now I tell about how to find out area of a triangle. In this triangle, they are giving out all sides are 1 units in length. Find out what's the perimeter and what's the area. You need to find out when they have given side length as 1 unit. You can do it out. Perimeter of the triangle as 4 times of side length. Here side length is 1 3 times of side length. Here side length is 1 unit. So it is 3 times of 1. 3 times of 1 is 3. So this is going to become 3 square units. That's the area of this one triangle. Now I going to tell another triangle. In this triangle, they are giving out all sides as 2 units in length. When all sides are 2 units, find out what's the perimeter and what's the area of the triangle. Here side length is 2 units. Now I start to tell different formulas of them. Here the area of this triangle going to becomes. Here, even perimeter of this triangle is 3 times of side length. So it becomes 3 times of, this is the side length. Side length they have given us 2 units. 3 times of 2. 3 times of 2 is 6. 6 units is the actual perimeter of this triangle. Let's find out area of this triangle. Area of equilateral triangle can be written as root 3 by 4 times of a square, means side length square. So this one will be equal to root 3 by 4 times of, this is the side length which is 1 unit, so it is 1 square. 1 square means its meaning is 1 times of 1 which is equal to 1. So it is root 3 by 4 times of 1. Root 3 by 4 times of 1 is root 3 by 4 square units is the actual area of this triangle. Let's find out area of even this triangle. Here you can find out area of this triangle as root 3 by 4 times of side length square. So this will be equal to root 3 by 4 times of, this is the side length 2 units, it is 2 square, means 2 square meaning is 2 times of 2 which becomes equal to 4. So this becomes root 3 by 4 times of 4. You can divide 4 1 times, 4 1 times, root 3 times of 1 is root 3. Root 3 square units is the area of this triangle. Let's take one more triangle. Here in this triangle, they are giving out all the sides as 5 units in length. When all sides are 5 units in length, find out what's the area of the triangle and what's the perimeter of the triangle. You out perimeter of this triangle is 3 times of side length. So it's going to become 3 times of, this is side length 5 units, 3 times of 5, 3 times of 5 is 15. So 15 units going to become the perimeter of this triangle. Let's find out what's the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle is same as root 3 by 4 times of a square or side length square. So this becomes root 3 by 4 times of, here the side length is 5 units, it is 5 square. 5 square means you can write it as 5 times of 5 which becomes 25. So this will be equal to root 3 by 4 times of 25, means 25 times of root 3 is 25, root 3 divided by 4 square units is the actual area of this triangle. Let's take one more triangle. In this triangle, they have given that all sides are equal to 7 units in length. When all sides are 7 units in length, you need to find out what's the perimeter and what's the area of the triangle. You can do in the same way. Perimeter of the triangle is 3 times of side length. So it becomes 3 times of, this is the side length 7 units, 3 times of 7. 3 times of 7 is 21. So 21 units is the perimeter. Let's find out the area. Area of this triangle is root 3 by 4 times of a square. So this one becomes root 3 by 4 times of, this is side length 7 unit, it is 7 square. 7 square means 7 times of 7 which is equal to 49. So this one will be root 3 by 4 times of 49. 49 times of root 3, that is 49 root 3 by 4 square units. Now let's find out different one. In this triangle, they are giving out all the edges of the sides of this triangle are 10 units. You need to find out same what's the area and what's the perimeter of this triangle when side length is 10 units. Perimeter of this triangle is 3 times of side length. So 3 times of side length is 10 units. 3 times of 10 is 30. 30 units is the actual perimeter. Now let's find out area. Root 3 by 4 times of a square. So this becomes root 3 by 4 times of this one side length is 10 unit 10 square. 10 square means 10 times of 10, which is 100. This is root 3 by 4 times of 100. 4 1 times 4 25 times it is 25 root 3 units is the actual area. Bye.